Today, we're comparing the Blizzard to the McFlurry, and we're gonna tell you which one is better. Let's start with the Blizzard.
All right, and both of these are Oreo flavored. And it's kind of cool. This one, you can see a bunch of Oreo pieces at the top.
Okay. I don't know what I was expecting. That is very cold. It is ice cream, and it is really good. There's a nice Oreo flavor throughout in the whole ice cream. This one looks like the McFlurry looks like there might just be more Oreo on top.
Maybe.
Okay, that's a
this
big
one's,
bite.
Blizzard's pretty soft, very creamy, I would say. I like it. Oh, this one's feeling pretty soft too.
Oh. Okay. There's an obvious winner here, I think.
Well,
It takes a second to kick in, but because it's so cold, the taste of the ice cream and the Blizzard is so much better than the McFlurry.
absolutely. This just tastes like their soft, what's it called?
Soft serve?
Soft serve with some Oreo bits in it, but yeah, overall this
And it
one's
just
much better.
Tastes like really cheap ice cream, so yeah. Blizzard is the one to go for. They're about the same price too.
Exactly.
We post food reviews every single week, so subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.